Welcome back. A few weeks ago, I received this package from Influenster. It's a gift that they sent me of a product sample from Estée Lauder. It is their Revitalizing Supreme Youth Power Cream. Came in a little sample size, this size. I used it and I really like the texture and the smell of the cream. It feels great and smells great. The texture is creamy and very moisture filling. I really enjoyed that. My only sadness would be that with such a small sample size, you can't really tell over time if it actually made you feel, it definitely makes you feel more beautiful, but I'm not sure if it actually changed how I look. But I put it on last night and I don't know, you guys tell me, what do you think? Do I look more youthful and revitalized? So it is heavy on the fragrance, but I actually really enjoyed using it. And thank you, Estée Lauder, for sending this to me. And thank you, Influenster VoxBox, for sending me the sample. And if I were out buying revitalizing cream, I definitely would buy Estée Lauder products. They have always been wonderful, and this one didn't disappoint. So check it out for yourself. I wasn't paid for this or anything. They just send you these samples to get your honest opinion. That's it. That's all there is to it. I just wish I had more so I could try it for longer and see if long term it made a bit bigger impact. But so far, thumbs up. Thank you.